Simplifying fractions. This is the inverse or opposite process to finding equivalent fractions. So rather than multiplying them up to make them bigger, we're going to try and find a way of dividing them down to make them smaller, while trying to keep a whole number as a numerator and denominator. So if I first of all look at 5 over 10, they are both in the 5 times table. So what I can do to simplify is divide the top by 5 and the bottom by 5, which will give me 1 over 2. And then 1 and 2 can't be simplified any further, so the answer to that one is 1 over 2, or a half. If I look at 3 over 12 next, so if I go down the way, 3 and 12 both in the 3 times table, so we'll divide them both by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 12 divided by 3 is 4, 1 and 4 won't simplify anymore. Then I'm moving across to 8 over 12. 8 and 12 are both in the 2 times table, so I could divide them both by 2, but I think there's a bigger times table that they're both in that's going to save me a bit of time if I go for that one. So I think they're both in the 4 times table, so let's divide the top and the bottom by 4, which will give me 2 over 3, which can't be simplified any further. Now I'll just show you that if you had done it using 2, it would have worked. We would have got 4 over 6, but 4 and 6 are still in the same times table. They're still in the 2 times table, so you would have to go again and divide them both by 2 to end up with the 2 over 3. So if you can find the biggest times table that they're both in, the biggest common factor, then divide by that, it'll save you a bit of time. So lastly, 36 and 45 are in the 9 times table, so divide them both by 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4, 45 divided by 9 is 5, and that's that.